Welcome back, guys. I'll start with the previous week. What I was looking at, these five pairs, six pairs. So first it was ZPP card. You can see market was in an uptrend, then it came to test this level here. So I managed to catch at least two trades. You can see we came to retest. I applied my strategy. I took a 1 to 2 here. Then again it came back to retest this same level right there. This is a 4 hour zone. This is a 4 hour level right there. You can see it's a nice 4 hour level. At this level, then again gave me the strategy. So I entered at this level, even though we closed at a very bad candle. So I'm waiting for a retest at this level. Yeah. But I'm still holding this level with this pair even throughout the week. So I'm still interested in this one. Because I want a nice break and retest to that zone, continue going up. ADNZD, the same thing. Market was in a downtrend. You can clearly see. Then we were in a downtrend. Then we came to retest this level. Then I jumped in this is the 130 minutes. I applied my strategy. I took my sales here. Then again, once it broke below this 4 hour zone, the 4 hour now then bearish again. So when it retested, the old time frames were now bearish. Yeah, the weekly and the 4 hour and the daily. So I took another one there. Then my take profit was here. But once I saw this break below, I tried to hold a bit longer. Aiming for this week here because it has to be filled, and it filled the week. Then I came out of the trade just like that. Yeah, so this is for GBP, AUD and ZD. Then GBP USD, again the same thing. Market has been in a very strong uptrend. You can see it was in a very strong uptrend, and it came to test this zone here. This was my level. I was waiting to enter my buys. Then once it reached that zone, I applied my strategies right there. I waited for what I look for to happen in the market to enter the buys at this level. Yeah. So I executed the trade at this level, and you can see once market broke above this zone, now the 4 hour was bullish again. Once it broke and closed above this level, it was bullish. So I just waited again for a nice retest at this level toward my buys again, and my stop loss right below this because I knew it might come back to make a nice retest at this double top. Yeah, and my stop loss just right above this level. Then you can, as of now, this trade will hit this take profit right there. So, and it just went straight up, guys. So even though I'm no longer interested in this pair as of now, I believe this is a very nice setup. Yeah, it's a very nice setup. Maybe as of now, what I'll look for enjoying these buys is after a retest of this daily structure. Because now, yeah, after retest of this daily structure, then I know that okay, we are even in good hands. You see, yeah, because then it might even just continue going up now after the test of this daily structure, this level. Yeah. Or the retest of this daily structure at this point here. But for now, I'm no longer vouching for this pair. I got what I wanted, so I can just now simply watch and see maybe in the weekend what will happen. Then USD CHF. My initial plan was I was waiting for USD same retest at this zone here, but I didn't like the way my risk to reward was looking because I had to, my initial take profit was this one right there, and I had to make a, and my entry was at this zone, and so I had to make a 1 to 0.8. So this is not making sense. That's why I just didn't participate in the trade. But you know what happened? It ended up playing out. It even gave a 1 to 4. You see, so it's just a sign that the strategy will work regardless. Then same as USDJPY. I was looking for sales, but it did not just hit this level here. This was my point where I wanted to sell this thing here. but they did not retest it, so I didn't take the trade just like that. And GBP JPY also, it hit my level as well, but I also didn't like the way my risk to reward was looking, so there was no point of me investing my money in it. But it was also a nice trade. You can see a nice retest, nice push to the downside. So I might even continue pushing down. Yeah, but for now, no longer interested in these pairs. Yeah, only I'm only interested in one pair still from these trades. Only uh, GBP card. The rest, we are no longer looking at them for this week. No longer, yeah. Even though USD CHF, we can wait and we can wait for a nice pullback at this level. I would want to see how this upcoming week will close for this pair, for me to continue or to look at this trade again, this pair again. But for now, no. So let's pick new pairs and see how we can analyze this more. Yeah, and choose what to be looking at for this upcoming week.